Welcome back to my video once again. Now I am at Tesgashil Panchal. Actually, I didn't have any plan today that I am come here, but my elder brother, Molai Dada, told me, let's go outside in the morning and enjoy the beauty of nature. I told, oh, why not? I'm ready always. So yes, today in the morning we have come here. Now we are enjoying the beauty of nature. I'm going to share with you. So keep watching my video and let's practice English with you. We have a miss idea. We think that Dhaka is a polluted city. There is no places which is beautiful. But this is totally wrong. If you want to see this, you can come to SHM Panchal, Tesga. This is very, very beautiful. I think among all in Dhaka city, Tesga is one of them which is very beautiful. And you can see the area of this city. So actually, morning time gives us another vibes. Whenever you get up early in the morning, you will see that the nature is very silent, very peaceful. You will see that the gentle wind, gentle breeze is blowing. Now I can feel it. You know, after almost 2 years, I have get up early in the morning today. Now I can enjoy the beauty of nature. Really, nature is beautiful. Even if you in Dhaka city or anywhere, but if you want to enjoy the beauty of nature, you have to get up early in the morning. You have to go outside to enjoy the beauty. Now we are here. So in this way, I will show you the nature beauty of our country, of our Dhaka city also, and we will practice English a lot. You know, English is a language which should be learned practically. Or it will just learn grammar, but it will be quite impossible to speak in English. But if you practice every day, then it will be very easy. So if you go outside and you can enjoy the beauty, and you can practice as well as like me. Now you can see it's a showroom of a private car. The city is famous for different kinds of showroom, especially for car showroom and also gymnastic and etc. So my dear friends, if you want to buy something like cars, gymnastics and instruments and also another, look at the road. This is very crowded road, but now as it's morning, there is no too much crowded. Some rickshaw and some car is going on. Look at them. They work hard. They work a lot. That's why our road is beautiful. Our country is beautiful. So we always should respect them. Last of all, I want to thank my elder father, Molai Dada. For him now, Dada, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. For him now, I can enjoy this. So hope you get a partner with whom you can. Okay. And if you don't, it doesn't matter. Go outside only. Don't need, because with you have nature. So don't worry. So tata, goodbye. Hope we'll meet again. Okay. So best of luck for everyone.